Tiny man jitters. Jett, what you doing? Out with my special Rays today. Starting to rain though. But I wish I knew his grandma. He ate just like her. All she used to do was just come outside and damn sit by the flowers, and he do the same damn thing. Right. Look at him. It's starting. Come on, Jett. It's starting to damn rain. He coming out of nowhere. Hey, Jett, where you been? He like, who me? You know, shit. I was in the forest. I was with the woodland critters. Look at Rae. You still just chilling right there, Rays? You're a good boy. You ready to go in? Come on. Oh, now you understand me. See, that shit I be talking about.